Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Kemina, a member of Group 4 6M ETC, standing before you to present a seminar report on direct broadcast receiver system. These are my contents: introduction, component required, block diagram, working principle, advantages, disadvantages, application, future announcement, conclusion, and reference. Introduction. Direct broadcast receiver system refers to satellite television system in which the subscriber or end users receive signal direct from geostationary satellites. DVS is the descendant of direct to home satellite services. A number of companies provide DVS and DTH services throughout the world. Top 6 best DTH services provided in India: Tata Sky, Dish TV, Airtel Digital TV, Videocon D2H, Sun Direct, Zing Digital. Component required: Android TV, set-top box, ODU, LNB, remote, cable, adapter, connector. And this is the block diagram of diagram broadcast receiver system. Antenna. Antenna plays a vital role in the reception of signal from the satellite. The function of this antenna is to direct the radio wave in a narrow beam or receive the radio wave from the one particular directional. Then the received beam are focused in a single point through feed antenna or LNB. The LNB feeds the signal and transmits it through cable. Working principle. Firstly, the user generates a message signal which is passed and processed through the terrestrial communication network to the Earth station. The Earth station modulates the signal and sends the signal to the satellites in space on the uplink frequency spectrum. The satellite amplifies process the signals and retransmit is back on the downlink frequency spectrum. At the receiving Earth station, the retransmitted signal is received, demodulated and amplified to get back the original signal. The signal is then sent to the user through the terrestrial communication network. Then the signal from terrestrial communication network is received by television decoder, also known as set-top box. This set-top box decodes the received signal and display the output to the television set. Advantages: large coverage, high quality, high reliability, speed installation, high capacity, emergency communication. Disadvantages: main disadvantages of direct broadcast receiver system is if a channel is broadcast from more than one distant satellite, then separate antenna will be needed. During rain or in cloudy weather condition, the antenna fails to receive the signals frequencies for respective channels. Any distributions or movement of antenna by an external force can cause losses in signals. Applications: military communication, telecommunication, weather forecasting, radio broadcasting and voice communication, remote sensing application. Future announcement: the future of smart TVs can be improved by using touchscreen technology. It can be improved in reference rate. Conclusion: direct broadcast system plays a vital role in the global telecommunication system. Satellite communication technologies have achieved remarkable breakthrough the efficiency and increase in performance in nearly half a century. Today, satellites are digital processors in sky and specialized software defines how they perform. This system provides a wide range of services such as broadcasting, high transfer rate and narrowband transmission to fixed, portable or mobile terminals with global or regional coverage. Reference. Thank you.